people, I hope everybody is well. Today I was thinking that I'm going to cook something, soup. And this soup I usually cook once in a while. I do not like soup just beef and potato you throw in a water with the salt and pepper and then you call that soup. No, soup has to have a flavor. Delicious. It needs a little bit patience because this is not like other meat, like you cook it for 30 minutes, it's done. This is a beef shank. It is tough meat. I want to give this soup a life, means flavor. When the meat is tender, I'm going to take it out from the broth and I'm going to fry this. And then I'm going to put this beef back to the broth. And the last moment, I'm going to cook with cabbage and other vegetable that I'm going to put it in there. It's approximately 4 pounds of beef and it's been washed. And the ingredient would be today dry red chili, whole black peppers, sea salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, nutmeg powder, cinnamon and clove powder. And the vegetable would be potato, tomato, cabbage, chopped onions, and scallion. And the garnish would be chopped mint leaves or cilantro, chopped onions, oregano, and lemon wedges. Water bring to the boil point, and this time you're going to put some salt and put the beef shank inside, and we're going to be cooking this until it is softened. However, I'm going to put some tomato in there because the broth and the tomato together, it's going to be really great taste. Let's boil it until meat is tender. Probably take about 40 to 45 minutes. Meat is tender. I'm going to take it out the meat from the broth, put it in the strainer. Put the potato in the broth. And big chunk of cabbage. Not a smaller piece. So when it is softened, it will be like a piece, like a chunk of cabbage. It will be great. And the half of the onions. Let's put this back on the stove to boil those vegetables. Meanwhile, I'm going to be cutting those beef. Make it a little smaller piece so it will fit on my frying pan. About 2 tablespoons of avocado oil in a hot pan. Fry the onions until it's brown. Let's put the red chili and black pepper in there and all those other spices that I have. Mix it together with the onions and fry it for approximately 2.5 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. Make sure it doesn't burn in a medium heat, okay? Put the shallots, mix it up together, and all those green onions in there. After a little fry, I'm going to go ahead and put the beef inside. Beef will be cooked there approximately each side 6 to 7 minutes until it gets the brown color. This time you don't have to worry about a beef cooking a little bit more longer time because beef is already cooked and it's already been softened. Beef look good. Other side has got little brown, little charred. That is exactly I'm looking for. Beef is fried well. Now is the time for transfer back to the broth. Give a little stir and cover this pan approximately for another 5 minutes and soup would be ready. I'll be eating this soup today with a French bread. You can use any kind of bread, it doesn't matter. People can use also a rice, anything your choice. Beef is almost done. I think it's time for serve. Wow, it's look great. I can see the beef is done well, and the smell of the spices coming out. Oof, aroma is great. Let's put some condiment. Without condiment, it cannot be. So I'm going to put some cilantro chop. It is your choice. Some chopped onions, oregano, and definitely lemon twist. Yes, you need that in your soup. So I have a little meat. I just go like this, break it, because it should be a condiment. So this one was a beef shank soup. This is not I get from my parents or my grandparents. It is my own creation, and I love it. My family love it. My children love it. My friends love it. Especially this soup is good in a winter. You know, outside snowing, cold, raining, and you have this. Oh, fantastic! But in a summer, you can also have it. I recommend, if you have a pressure cooker, just cook it in a pressure cooker so it's quickly done. Fantastic. Life is beautiful. Remember that. There's no such a thing, life is bad. There's nobody to blame. Because everything you make a decision, it is your own decision. And that is the outcome of your life, what happened. Yes, there's certain people can be blamed for it, but not all the time. It depends on the situation and the circumstances. So live your life beautiful, love your family, love your friends, respect, and you will see your life is fantastic. I appreciate your time, and thank you very much for watching.